Hi everyone, welcome to Vocal Academy. In this video, we are going to generate Armstrong numbers between any two given numbers. So before that, first of all, understand what is the Armstrong number. So the number, suppose ABC is the number and it consists of 3 digits are there. If it satisfies this condition and it is a Armstrong number. Suppose ABCD is the 4-digit number and if it satisfies this equation and it is called as a Armstrong number. So like that 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, 2 digits, anything. Okay, that numbers is called as Armstrong numbers. Now I am going to write the program for Armstrong numbers. Means I want to generate some Armstrong numbers between given any two numbers. So first of all, import numpy as np. So here I already installed the numpy library. So I will show you in another video as in future. Now come here. First of all, take the initial value. Suppose a is the initial value. I am taking that. So int input initial value. So enter initial value. Now take another value as input, that is b. So just I am copying here the same data. And it is a final value. Now between these two numbers, we want the Armstrong numbers. Now create one empty list. Suppose that is GS. Empty list I am taking because after checking each number between the given two numbers, I will collect that Armstrong numbers and I will add into this empty list. Okay. Now I apply the for loop for each number between A and B. So for loop number in np.arrange. So between we want numbers A and B. So A comma B comma 1. So from A to B, we are going to generate the Armstrong numbers. Now first find the length of the numbers. Okay. So LE is considered as length of the given number. Now initially keep the sum is equal to 0. Here we are going to find the sum of this data. Okay, first of all I find the length, so that is 3 here. Okay, I assume that as that is LE. Next I am going to find the sum of each digit. Okay, by applying the power of number of digits. Okay, so initially I am keeping that sum equal to 0. Now I am going to given this number into another object for duplicate. Okay, so upon this number I am going to perform operations. So this number as it is same, there is no change. Okay, now apply while loop upon this number NEM capital. Okay, so if the number is greater than 0, so take one value, that is first digit or second digit, like the third digit. Okay, so for that I am taking the remainder. Now add that value by power of the number of digits. So into sum data. Okay, so it is sum. So sum becomes B power of LE. LE means number of digits. Now again change the number. Okay, second digit, like that digit, fourth digit, like that. So for that I am taking num will be replaced with quotient. Okay, now apply if loop. So if the sum is equal to given number, so then that number is the Armstrong number. Then if it is Armstrong number, then add that into our list. Okay. So for that, if so given number is here, I am taking first number is num small m. Okay. So here overall we will get some value. Okay. So we are going to equal to with some data. So if it is this sum data will be equal to the given number, means first number. Okay, we are taking all numbers by checking one by one number. Okay, in that if it is equal matches, then we are going to add into list of Armstrong numbers. Okay, now GS that append that number. Yes, pause. So if it is not equal, just pause it. Okay. Now finally we are going to print all the numbers. Okay. So that data is GS. Now I am going to run the code. So first of all, enter the initial value. Now I want from 1 to 1000. So initial value is 1. Next final value is 1000. So one smaller is there. So here it is not O and it is 0. Now again rerun the code. As well as here spelling mistake is there. So it is final. I final not. Okay. Now run the code. Initial value is 1 and final is 1000. So between this we want Armstrong numbers. So the Armstrong numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. So these are the total Armstrong numbers between 1 and 1000. Suppose if you want 1 to 10,000. So let's check here. So initial value is 1 and final value is 10,000. Now enter. So these are the Armstrong numbers between 1 and 10,000. And this is the process of writing the code. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.